In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize studio reverb to your audio in Premiere Pro. Reverb is the subtle sense of space you hear in real rooms and halls. Adding it thoughtfully can make a voice feel warmer and more natural, or give music a polished, professional sheen. The key is control, so let's walk through the exact steps and what each setting actually does. Start by selecting your audio clip in the timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted so any changes you make apply to the right piece of audio. If you're working with multiple clips, focus on one at a time so you can clearly hear the difference each adjustment makes. Next, go to your effects panel, navigate through effects, then audio effects, then reverb, and choose studio reverb. This is a versatile, high-quality effect that works well for dialogue, voiceover, and music. Once you've located it, simply drag studio reverb directly onto your selected audio clip in the timeline. You'll know it's applied when it shows up in the effect controls for that clip. Now let's customize it in the effect controls panel. This is where the magic happens. Start with decay. Decay controls how long the reverb lasts after the original sound. A shorter decay feels like a smaller room and keeps speech tight and clear. A longer decay creates a grander sense of space but can easily wash out clarity if pushed too far. For voices, lean shorter. For atmospheric music, you can explore longer tails. Next, early reflections. This shapes the initial echo you hear right after the sound. It's what gives your ear a cue about the size and character of the room. Increase early reflections for a more present, lively space. Reduce them for a subtler, more intimate feel. Small changes here can dramatically affect realism. Move on to diffusion. Diffusion smooths or sharpens the reverb tail. Higher diffusion makes the reverb more velvety and blended, great for a natural, unobtrusive background. Lower diffusion reveals more distinct echo patterns, which can add texture, but may become distracting on dialogue if overdone. Finally, adjust the mix. Mix balances the dry original signal with the wet reverberated signal. Think of this as your overall intensity control. Keep the dry signal dominant for clarity, then blend in reverb until it supports the sound without taking over. Subtlety almost always sounds more professional. That's it. Select the clip, add studio reverb, and fine-tune decay, early reflections, diffusion, and mix until your audio sits perfectly in the space you want.